Here's problem 16 from the 2022 AMC 8. Four numbers are written in a row: A, B, C, and D. The average of the first two is 21. The average of the middle two is 26. And the average of the last two is 30. What is the average of the first and last numbers, A and D? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's turn each average into a sum. If the average of A and B is 21, then A plus B is 2 times 21, which is 42. If the average of B and C is 26, then B plus C is 52. And if the average of C and D is 30, then C plus D is 60. Here's the clever step. We want A plus D. Take the first sum, subtract the second sum, and add the third sum. That's A plus B minus B plus C plus D. The B terms cancel, and the C terms cancel, leaving just A plus D. So A plus D equals 42 minus 52 plus 60, which is 50. The average of A and D is 50 divided by 2, which is 25. So the average of the first and last numbers is 25, which is choice B.